Do you want to see how one of the world's biggest stars lives every single day? From private basketball courts to million-dollar interiors and rare cars, Drake's life is pure luxury. Before we start, hit that subscribe button so you never miss more videos like this. Drake is not just a music superstar. He is a true luxury icon. He owns one of the most expensive and beautiful homes in Toronto, worth around $100 million. The mansion is enormous, with high ceilings, marble floors, and custom designs in every corner. Every room is designed for comfort and style. From the living rooms to the kitchens, nothing is ordinary. One of the most unique features is the private NBA-sized basketball court inside the house. It's perfect for workouts, practice, or just having fun with friends and family. Drake is also famous for his luxury cars. He owns rare cars and Bugattis, each one carefully chosen to match his style and personality. Every car shows his success and taste, powerful, elegant, and unique. Travel is another important part of his life. Drake often flies on private jets and stays in the most luxurious hotels around the world. Whether he's working on music or relaxing, he does it in comfort and style. Even his fashion and jewelry are part of his luxury lifestyle. Designer outfits, custom chains and watches show his high-end taste. Every detail, from his shoes to his accessories, reflects his attention to luxury. His OVO brand is also part of this lifestyle, combining music, fashion, and entertainment under one name. Drake's luxury lifestyle is a clear display of wealth, success, and style. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and comment and subscribe for more videos about celebrity luxury lives.